Do I cheer up the team or cheer on the team?
Phrasal verbs strike again. Today, let's talk about the difference between cheer up and cheer on. Let's start with cheer up. When you cheer up, or if someone or something else cheers you up, you begin to feel less sad and you're just happier. You're cheered up. For example, spending time with my cats always cheers me up. So my cats cheer me up. Or their friends cheered them up after they lost the game. Okay, let's talk about cheer on. When you cheer someone on, you give them a lot of encouragement. You might shout and just encourage them to do a good job. For example, you might cheer on your favorite team during a game. Or I could say, I'm cheering you on as you learn all the vocabulary. Okay, let me know what cheers you up when you're feeling down. And also, who do you cheer on and who cheers you on when you need encouragement?